Hey guys, if you're looking for a quick, easy, cheap, grab and go snack to have before your workouts, this is it. And with just 6 ingredients, I even think Cayman kit these right. So it's gonna be super hard to mess these up.
Start by measuring out 5.5 cups of marshmallows into a bowl, in this case, the entire bag. And be sure to make sure none escape. Next, pour a 1/4 cup of milk into a measuring cup, followed up with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for some added flavor. Place 3 tablespoons of butter into a non-stick pan on low to medium heat. Move it around to help speed up the melting process, and once it starts to melt, add in the milk and vanilla extract and mix all together. Once mixed together, add in the marshmallows. I start with about only half, then add in the rest once the first has started to melt. Try to keep moving them to make sure there are no clumps. I sped this part of the video up as this step can take a little time to get them all worked in. You want this consistency before adding in your protein of choice.
My protein of choice for these is Raw Nutrition's Whey Isolate, the chocolate flavor. By far my favorite flavor. A lot of the other flavors are really good, but this one just mixes so well, whether it's with milk, water, and these Rice Krispies, just to add that extra flavor. And the best part is there's only 1 gram of sugar per scoop. So we add 2 to 3 scoops, however many you want, and you're only adding 2 to 3 grams of sugar for these Rice Krispie treats. And I know what you're thinking, hey, these have marshmallows in them and a lot at that, and that's gonna add a ton of sugar. However, it's in that carb form that we need to burn through our workouts with. So don't be too worried about the sugar.
Add in your protein of choice. I use 2 scoops of these, but could easily add another. Mix until it is completely blended. Then begin adding in the Rice Krispies. You definitely want to section this step out, as pour them all at once makes it very tough to evenly mix it all together. This is another step of the process that can take a little bit of time, so just try to stay patient through it.
From simply stirring the Rice Krispies, I have a slight arm pump now. Chef Rush, we figured you out. We now know how you got your 24-inch arms.
When it comes to placing these into a dish, normally you'd use wax paper or spray these dishes with some sort of non-stick oil, but I'm out. I use butter to prevent these from sticking to the Pyrex. In terms of thickness, that is all open to your personal preference when it comes to your sweet treats.
Well guys, that's how simple it is. Let's go ahead and try one of these out. Fantastic. Brings back memories of childhood, but actually has protein in it now. We love it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, and be sure to go watch my latest video right here. And until next time, go make some more gains.